we have 3 long fingers in the middle and 2 short ones on each end. If we set ourselves symmetrically in the center with D open there, and thumbs on C and E here, and on the raised keys here, which are the same in the octaves, we see how nicely they fit. They just rotate in a curve over those notes so nicely as we play them. It's a rotation feel. And in this area, these 2 and 3 fit nicely on these raised keys. Now, when we named our inches to the letters, we know that on both sides symmetrical of our D, we have our A, B, C on one side, on the left, D in the center, leave it, and we have E, F, G over there. How nicely symmetrical that is. The partner names that we assigned, the 5 other names we needed to have 7 plus 5 equal 12 inches, are right here, 3 and 2, or 3 and 2 from that side. You want to see it from both sides symmetrical, left-right brain continually to see the symmetry, even though we know we're into our next ruler up here. These are the octaves, again, as we talked. These are the same. These are the same. These are the same. And there's the 5. Now, how nicely the 5 are, and we may ask the question, well, how did we decide which of the 7 letters would have partner names, of which there's 5? What about the other 2? Where did we leave out the partner name, and why did we leave them out on the certain inches? Well, let's look. What inches are left out with partners? Well, we see they're right here. There's no partner between B and C, you see, or E and F. Well, they just happen to be right next to dead center D because, for a couple of reasons. The main reason is because of our physical properties of how our hands are built. We have a short finger here and a long one here. If it's going to be symmetrically set here, it would be crowded to have one here. It's unnecessary. So that was a good reason to leave it out there and leave it out on both sides, because there were 2 that we didn't need. We only needed the 5. You see. So that's a good enough reason why B has no partner, B sharp, and E has no partner. We didn't need it there. And we put it right here to keep it symmetrical, so you could keep track of it, and our hand dictates that.